Imagine that you walked into a movie theater. You sit down for the movie, you bought your popcorn, and 20 to 30 minutes into the movie, you realize, I hate this movie. ना इसमें लैंग्वेज मेरे बस की है ना कॉन्सेप्ट मेरे बस का है. Ask yourself, would you walk out of that movie or would you sit through it क्योंकि मूवी टिकट तो ले लिया है, पैसे तो वसूलने हैं. I have actually experienced something like this once, and one of my friends walked out, but all the others continued to sit. The movie was horrible and we hated it, but none of us had the courage to walk out. Why? Because all of us thought, यार टिकट तो ले ली, उसके पैसे तो वसूलने हैं. This feeling of इतना खर्च कर दिया है, उसका वसूल तो ले, is the next bias that we are going to talk about today. And we are going to find out why do we keep pouring into relationships, decisions, jobs, or finances that are clearly draining us out. Hi guys, my name is Nayantara. I'm a counselor and psychologist, and I'm here to help you to get to know yourself better. Today we are talking about the second bias that stops us from making decisions in partial way. Let's find out why. One of the hardest things for people is to walk away from something they have invested in. Not because it is healthy for them or it's making them happy, but because they've already invested their time, their money, their energy, their efforts, their emotions, their identity. And the brain says, if you leave now, all this that you poured into it will be wasted. So, what do people do? They continue to stay. And what do they stay in? They stay in bad marriages, they stay in really unsatisfactory jobs, they stay in relationships that are really unhealthy for them. And people continue to repeat patterns or give of themselves in this relationship because they think, अब इतना टाइम डाल दिया है, इतना एफर्ट डाल दिया है, अब पीछे हटने से क्या फायदा. In psychology, this concept is known as the sunk cost fallacy. This comes from a little bit of behavioral economics and cognitive psychology, and two psychologists, Daniel Kahneman and Amos Tversky, are credited for this. They explored how human beings make irrational decisions when emotions and investments are involved. The sunk cost basically means that something has already been spent and it cannot be recovered. आपने जो डाला है वो खर्च हो चुका है, उसको आप निकाल नहीं सकते. But instead of saying what is the healthy thing for me right now, your brain tells you how can I justify what I have already put in. So the justification, to justify your time there or your money there or your effort there, you continue to stay, and that staying actually traps people many times. Some relatable examples that you might connect to is that you find a friend who has spent 7 years in a relationship. They know it's not going anywhere, but they don't know how to get out of it because they say, यार इतना time तो spend कर दिया है, अब इससे निकले कैसे? Might as well put in more time and make it work. Or someone is in a very painful relationship but still continues to give in, even though it is coming at the cost of their mental and physical well-being, they still continue to pour themselves into it. You force yourself through painful sacrifices and don't know where to stop. You're saying, I don't know how to stop because I've already put so much into this, so I might as well give more so that I gain something out of it. People even do this with money, where they keep putting money into bad investments because they think at some point I'll get some good return out of it. So the question clearly is, why do we keep on doing this? Well, we've touched a little upon this before. The brain gets trapped into this prison of predictability. It does not want to experience any pain, any discomfort, anything new, or any change. So your brain is going to keep on telling you that even though this is painful, at least this is familiar. Let's stay there. It will choose a familiar pain over an uncertain possibility, even though that possibility might actually prove to be good for you. So, here is one thing for you to think about. The time that you invest is not the same as meaning that you've created. जस्ट बिकॉज आपने किसी चीज़ में टाइम डाला है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपने कुछ मीनिंगफुल क्रिएट किया है. You may have spent years, you may have spent money, you may have spent energy or your emotions or your talent, but If that thing is bringing you to suffering, then you may want to take a step back and think about it. Here are two takeaway questions for you to think about if you are struggling with such a situation. The first question is, if you encounter that situation today, would you still choose it? अगर आप आज इस सिचुएशन में स्टेप इन करते, आज इस रिलेशनशिप में, आज ऐसी जॉब में, आज ऐसे पर्सन के साथ आप मिलते, या फिर ऐसी एक स्कीम पकड़ते इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए, विथ ऑल द नॉलेज यू हैव टुडे, would you still invest into it? Would you still choose it? If you are thinking twice or saying no, then that might give you a light bulb moment to think about what exactly are you tolerating and at what cost. The second takeaway is, do not confuse endurance with growth. In India, many times we glorify endurance. बस adjust कर लो, थोड़ा सा और सह लो, don't quit, keep going. And sometimes, don't get me wrong, resilience is important. Resilience, or the ability to carry on and push through difficulties, is important. But you need to know at what cost is it coming, and is it costing you more than what you intended to get out of it. Sometimes growth requires you to walk away, to use your wisdom and discernment and figure, this is not worth putting my time or money into or investing in emotionally. Not every finished task is a success, just like every unfinished task is not a failure. Sometimes you've outgrown it and it's okay for you to step out of it. The sunk cost fallacy can keep people emotionally attached and a prisoner to their old investments. It won't let you move past your investment thinking that I'll lose a lot. So, healing begins sometimes when you stop asking, what have I already lost? मेरा कितना already इसमें जा चुका है? And instead you start asking, what will it cost me if I never leave? अगर मैं इस सिचुएशन से कभी नहीं हटूंगी तो मैं क्या क्या खो दूंगी. That question is really important in knowing and answering to yourself where you are, what have you put in, and what are you likely to lose. Hi friends, I hope this video helped you a little more in getting to know yourself better. If you find the content of our channel helpful, do share it with your friends, subscribe to it, like, and do comment below as to what helped you.